Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. So much so my channel is full of tips, tricks, hacks, and anything you could ever need to know about volleyball. So you guys have asked me many times before, serve receive. How do I better serve receive? So today I'm going to give you some tips that I think will really help you with your serve receive. Let's get right into it. So with serve receive is when you are in the back row or you're in the front row and you're expecting a serve from the other side. Many times when I have the question about serve receive, it's often from back row players. Serve receive can be tricky, number one, if you're facing a skilled server, if you're new to the back row, or it's just tricky. So when we're going back row, we first need to take a trip back row. Let's go back row. So now I'm in the back row and I'm middle back right now. What I'm gonna do is, my fiance is on the other side, but I want to show you what the position you need to have when you're serve receiving. The first thing you need to make sure you do is that your hands are on your knees and you don't look like you're not ready. If you're not ready, I'm more than likely gonna serve to you because you look like you're not paying attention. Also, you need to make sure you have an eye on your teammates so you know where everybody's body position is and where you're supposed to be. You should be in an athletic stance waiting for the serve. Now, how do you know what to predict from a server? Let's talk about some different server predictions. Now let's talk about different server predictions. Let's pretend that my fiance here is the server. Now when somebody is going to serve, he's facing the serving line. Let's pretend this is the right back. He's facing the serving line and he looks like he's going to serve. Where do I look on the server to know where it's going to go? First, you want to take account their body position. Where are they located on the court? Are they in the line? Are they far back? If they're super far back, you can predict they're going to do some kind of jump serve. If they're really close up, most likely a standing or underhand serve. Here's the thing, most servers are consistent. They typically do the same serves over and over again. So if you're on the bench and you're watching somebody serve, take a moment to analyze what they're going to do because they most likely are going to do it again. Those servers who are really skilled can do anything. And those are the ones who you should be just a little bit more aware of. Next, I'm going to look at his shoulders. Where's his shoulders tilted? How does he look like he's going to serve? Is he going to do the bow and arrow? So as he goes out into his bow and arrow, I'm taking a look at his serving shoulder. When the ball comes up and he's going to contact the serve, where is his shoulder tilted? Is it facing you? Is it facing a teammate? You need to make sure to be ready and call the ball when it's coming across the net. It's up, it's over, serves up. Any kind of call that would help the setter, help anybody else in your team know and recognize what's going on. When he's stepping into it, where did he land? Where's his shoulder pointing? Those are all things you want to look at. And least of all, which is probably a good tip, the eyes. Where are they looking? A good server can do snake eyes, which means they're going to serve a different place in their eyes, but where are they looking? So I'm back row, I'm preparing for the serve. I looked at all of the indicators to know where the serve is going to go, and I'm ready to receive. Not here, not here, not low like you're here and you're waiting. I've seen players who do this touch the floor thing to make sure that they're low. I think that's a cute idea to remind yourself that to get low. If you feel like that's something you need to do, great. We're here, we're waiting for the serve. I'm keeping my eye on the server and I want to make sure to get the ball to the setter. But KoKo, I'm back row, I'm in an odd position. How do I get the ball to the setter? Make eye contact, call mine, and remember, to control the direction of the ball, you're just dropping the shoulders. So I'm going to try to get the ball to the setter and I'm going to pass it by looking at the server. All right, ball up, mine. Now, as you can see, I squatted really low to pass that ball. Could I have stepped forward? Yes. Stay on your toes. Ball up, mine. Over. So I want to make sure to control the ball that it's not going too high. Let's try that ball again. Make sure you take into account my body position. And we're going to do another angle. Ball up. Mine. Nice. Let's look at another angle. Now, I'm making sure the setter is facing me because they are going to catch the ball. This is something easy you can do with another person. All right. Ball up. Mine. Now, if you have somebody who's the setter, can they set it? If it's too low, they can't set it. Make sure you pass it high enough. Mine. let's look at it from a different angle. Line. Nice. Mine. Mine. Last one. Mine. Nice. Now, serve receive is something that is tough to get. I suggest that you practice this at home, get a partner, get as much touches as you can. I hope that you like this video. Please like.